welcome back to the channel. Happy Vlogmas. I need to run into 99cents store real quick, and then I'm headed to physical therapy, so come along with me. So I was running late and I missed my appointment, so they rescheduled me. I'm getting physical therapy because I was in a car accident back in May. So I'm getting therapy for my neck and my back. Someone rear-ended me when I was at a stoplight. Whew, it has been a journey, to say the least, with this. So I have a lot of errands to run, actually. I need to clean my car, grocery shop. $29. Get that. Okay, guys, I'm headed into Target. I need to get a few items, so let's go. Let's go. Let's do a little Target shopping. Let's do a little breakdown of some of my favorite products you can get here at Target for your hair. This conditioner for pre-poo. I love Camille Rose. This moisturizing shampoo is really good. This Curl Milk for a leave-in conditioner is really good. What else do I love from her? I mean, her whole line's good. I don't use a specific line. I pick and choose because not every store carries the whole line of products. Big Papa. This feels like a botanical gel, like the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. This is really good. The Dew is my favorite mousse, my all-time favorite mousse. Love this. Another leave-in conditioner that you may like is the Kinky Curly, and the Curling Custard is really good. We got Extreme Wet Lime down here. This is a very hard holding gel, so it's gonna dry your hair out. You wanna have a moisturizing leave-in conditioner underneath. A good deep conditioner, Mayel. Then you have As I Am down here. They have the Coconut Co-Wash. That's a really good cleanser, leave-in conditioner. Their classic line is really good. The Shea Moisture, this line is good. So you just gotta find what works for you. And Walgreens, and we are in the toy section.
Yeah, we're in there.
Elsa, they have 30 to 40% off on toys. Like, they have this Magic Mixes.
Look.
Wow, what is it? Crybabies. They have some really cute toys over here at Walgreens. Pretty affordable prices. The Ultimate Sensory Bin. Oh, nice.